हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम सीखेंगे origin and evolution of man. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you see there are four stages of human evolution. The first stage is ape man stage, the second stage is ape man stage, and the third stage is primitive man stage, and the fourth is modern man stage. So you see in ape stage, the first is Dryopithecus. In ape stage, the second is ape man stage, the Ramapithecus and Australopithecus, and the third is primitive man stage. It's included Homo habilis and Homo erectus, and the fourth is modern man stage. It's included only Cro-Magnon. In third stages, primitive man stage, in Homo erectus, you see there are three stages in Homo erectus. The first is Java man, the second is Peking man, and the third is Neanderthal. Let's now you start trick to remember the stages of human evolutions. You see the trick is drama. You start from D and there is drama. Ho, the three times you included ho, and the chrome, the last is M. In chrome, last is M. The first you see D for Dryopithecus, and Ram indicate Ramapithecus, and the A is include Australopithecus, and you see Ho included Homo habilis, and the second Ho is included Homo erectus, and the third Ho is included Homo sapiens. And the meaning of Chrome is Cro-Magnon, and the last is M. It means modern man stage, modern man. Now you see Dryopithecus. Dryopithecus are evolved 15 million year ago, and the second is Ramapithecus. It's evolved around 5 million year ago, and the third is Australopithecus. It evolved 3 to 4 million year ago, and its cranial capacity is 400 to 600 cc. Cc represent cranial capacity. And the fourth is Homo habilis. It's evolved around 2 to 2.5 million year ago, and its cranial capacity is 650 to 800 cranial capacity. Now Homo erectus, it's included also three stages. The first is Java man, the second is Peking man, and the third is Neanderthal. Homo erectus evolved around 1.5 million year ago, and its cranial capacity is 900 cc. And in Neanderthal,